Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and in this video I am going to be telling you how to fast forward any video you like at all. But guys, always remember to hit, if your subscribe button is red, make that grey, and hit the bell notifications and press all so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So then after you've done that, you will actually just need to click on any video you like. I'm just going to click on this video that I made. I'm going to pause it just for a few minutes. Then you will need to press the settings button, click on that. And then you'll get lots of options. You will just need to press playback speed. Click on that. And then it will show you a bunch of options of what speed you want. If I wanted to do it super fast, I can press 2. And now if I play my video, and now it's just going super duper fast. And if I want to do it slow motion, I can press on settings again, go on playback speed, and do in 0.25. Then when I press on play, it's very slow, and yeah. So now if I go on settings again and I just want to play normally, just press normal, and then your video can speak properly. And yeah, if this tutorial helped you guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.